my channel. If you're already subscribed, I want to thank you so much for coming back and watching my videos, supporting me as always. If you are not subscribed, what are you doing? I'm gonna give y'all like 2 seconds to subscribe, and then we can get into this bomb hair tutorial. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? I'm just joking, guys. All right, anyways, so today we're gonna be doing this little cute braided ponytail feed-in braid tutorial or whatever. It took me a little while to actually be able to get it this cute. The first couple times I've done it, it's like it's been all right. This time it came out so bomb just for you guys. So yeah, and it touches, at least on me, I'm about 5'1", and it comes right here. It comes below my butt. So that would be, I used 40 inch braiding hair. I'll show you guys which braiding hair I used when the tutorial starts. So yeah, braiding hair is really cheap. I think the braiding hair that I bought, I was able to do box braids with it. If you have me on Instagram, you probably already seen them. I've done this about 3 times, and you can reuse the hair once you take it out, as long as it doesn't get like dirty or anything crazy. You can reuse it and do it about 30 different times, or you'll probably have enough left in the pack, because I didn't really use much to do this hairstyle. So yeah, we're gonna do this. You can't really see how long it is because I have on black, but if you are interested in seeing how I got this long feed-in braid, which only took me about 15 minutes to do at that, so this is really cute, quick, protective style, then keep on watching. Alright, so these are the products that you'll need to do this hair tutorial. So all I have there is a scarf, my toothbrush to lay my edges, my hard bristle brush, 3 scrunchies, which I only used 1 of them, some Eco Styler gel, some water, and the braiding hair of your choice. I used pre-stretched braiding hair. That was 44 inches, although it really kind of didn't look like 44 inches. But yeah, that's all you will need to do this hair tutorial. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen and we're going to boil some hot water. We're going to boil some water and then we're going to dip the end of the braid. That just helps it seal the braid so it doesn't keep unraveling, or you get in the bath, it's not going to unravel. If you go outside, it's not going to unravel. The hot water just seals it in and keeps it from unraveling. So yeah, that's what we're going to do.
show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?